Hey guys, Maple here from Immortal Graphics, doing a tutorial on how to make a really cool 3D logo in Cinema 4D. So, I got this inspiration from another video that I will try to put in the description. I don't upload the videos, but hopefully the link will be in the description because this isn't entirely my idea. So I do want to give credit where it's due. So, first thing you're going to want to do is line up your camera. Let's just go ahead and make some textures. Our materials. I want a pink because pink is cool, and I want white because white is cool. Let's go ahead and add some lights. Oh my. This is such a bipolar program. Let's just go ahead and add that. And one last light. Okay, sorry I haven't been commentating, guys. I've just been concentrating on adjusting the camera here. So there you go. You got your lights. So, first thing you're going to want to do is add a cylinder. Because this is going to be a circular logo, which you can easily just use the pen tool and cut out in Photoshop. So radius set to 200, height set to 100, or that really looks the best, don't mind that. Positive Z, set the height to 200, and there you go. You got your basic part of it. Now we're going to use something in this called a bool, which cuts a certain shape out of another shape. So say I wanted to cut a square out of this, I would just have to add a bool, add a cube, and it would cut it out. But you have to do it in a certain way, which I'm going to show you. So next you need to add another cylinder. Radius of about 170 or so. Height a bit more. And positive Z. 200 on the Y. And then you do want to increase it a bit here. And then let's name this cutout and body. Okay, so those are a bit easier to identify. Next we're going to go under this little thing with the things around the thing. The green things around the white thing. Yeah, I am a pro at this. And you're going to want to put in body first. The object that's having something cut out always goes first. So we're going to want to put that there, and as you can see, we have a cool little cutout. And the thing you got to remember is the heights of these two objects cannot be the same. The item that you want to be cut out, that you want to be using to cut out of the other object, has to be slightly bigger. Otherwise it won't read as a cut, and it'll just be flush, and you won't see anything cut out unless you're like inside of it. So there's something to remember. This actually needs to go over here. And this needs to go over here. Maybe it just needs to go forward. Sorry guys, I am OCD about lights. Okay, so there's your main part of it. No, I want to center on this. Okay, so there's your main part. Next we're going to add another cylinder as the back. Just go ahead and rename it back. Sorry for the lawnmower noise if you can hear it. Radius of 200. Height of about 20. Positive Z. On the y-axis you want 200, and you're going to want to back it up 100 or 50, I think. Maybe, I can't remember. I can never remember this. Oh, no, don't want that. So, you're going to want to make sure it's just flush. I mean, it can go in a bit, but as you can see, it's nice and flush. It looks like one object. Which you could do this in a more simple fashion by just having a thicker object and booleaning that out, but this is just neater because you can individually color the parts. So, and I'll show you the use for that later. So, I'm going to go ahead and color these. You're going to have to color the inside at the same time with this. So, now we want yet another cylinder. Oh my gosh, Maple, what the poo. I know, guys, it's a lot of cylinders, but trust me, this looks real cool when it's done. Height of 200, about a 130 radius. Yeah, so that's what you're going to want there. Don't need to do anything fancy to this yet. Next, you're going to create a Mo text under MoGraph. You can really do whatever you want here, but I prefer to, I just prefer to have text, you know, to represent whatever you're doing. So I'm going to put IMM there for Immortal, change it to Razor Regular, and I'm just going to color this pink so I can see it more easily. You're going to want to change the depth to 100 just to make life easy right now. There we go. There we go. Now, once you have it flush with this edge, you're going to want to increase the depth by about 10. Okay. Now I'm going to center it, and I'm going to drag it up. And you're going to want it about in the middle. Now usually when I do text, it's a bit bigger than I need it, so I'm going to scale it down, move it up, and there's my text. But we're going to do something real cool. We are going to add another bool. We want to cut out of this cylinder, and there you go. It's being Derp Cola. See? Now we've got some real cool text. It's 3D, and if we render this out, it looks really good because you got shadows and stuff. So yeah, if you want a real cool logo, guys, you should do something like this. There will be a download to the project file in the description. So yeah, share this video around, show your friends, hit me up on my personal channel, Maple Graphics, if you want me to design one for you. And that is too complicated for you, but really most of it will be done in the project file. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed, hope this helped. You should subscribe. Goodbye.